You're not 69, I'm coming back with you another in-depth technical analysis for all of you beautiful people on Dogelon. Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Ladies and gentlemen, peeps, hit that subscribe button if you want daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts, my friend. Before we get into the charts, my friends, wait a second. You beautiful people. You beautiful people. Look at this. Wow. Rama, Micah, Elizabeth, Hanichigo, JTA, Hujik, Josh, Cody, Lucialto, Lucalito, Gruntacular, Ben, Ryan, Jason, Alexandria, Sarix, Justin, Gibran, Daniel, Brett, Nathan, Rome, Bob, Cross, Johnny, Jonathan, Sam, Jetor, and Lear. Thank you for joining the Patreon. We are making money in there. You guys are all in profits right now, and it's beautiful. We have 3 spots open. If you want to join the Patreon, click that link. I'm going to be opening more spots because it's the first of the month. So I'll probably open 5 or 10 more spots because you guys are emailing me saying you want to get in. So let's do this. In-depth daily technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts. Look at these. Okay, we've seen an inverse hammer here. We have seen exactly what, sorry, that is a regular hammer. We have seen exactly what we predicted. A big green candle right here with volume breaking out over the previous fake outs and absolutely tearing above this with no signs. Okay, I told you guys there's going to be there's going to be small signs of selling pressure right around this 1538 level. That's what we saw, but we just ripped through it, and then this is now our new support. Guys, we are basing above it, making higher lows. If this candle closes, let me zoom in for you guys, make it super simple. If I stutter a lot because I'm trying to make it as simple as I can for you guys. All right, listen. If this green candle closes above the 1687 level, that means it is making higher lows, and we have a good potential of breaking this next resistance level at the 1751 level. All right, this is not a bad time to be averaging in. If you're in the Patreon, then you would have seen a good average in point right around this lowest point on the candle, around the 1650 level, 1640 level. My beautiful friends. All right, that's let me draw some levels for you guys, just so you guys can get a visualization on what is going on in the beautiful charts here. All right, this is our next line of resistance here, right around this 1816, and this is more of a range. Let me range it out for you guys. 1816 to the top of this. Now, how did I get that? If you guys are OGs, you know exactly how I got this. Look at this previous resistance, and then look at the previous spike to the high with volume. Now, that is the top of the range. As you can see, it's a double top here. That is the top of the range that we need to break through in order to reach this next resistance level. All right, my friends. Now, I was talking to somebody on the phone, and they were telling me about all their chart patterns, bullish flags, and everything. And that works in the macro, in the big scale of things. That works. But in the 5-minute charts, all of that, all of those technical analysis indicators, bullish flag, bullish pendants, things like that, they can change with just a simple tweet from Elon Musk. Like, it doesn't matter. But in the long term, those patterns are useful. Long term meaning daily charts, weekly charts. So let's get straight into the levels that we were going into. All right, my beautiful friends. This is to the upside. What we want to see is this green candle closing above this 1680 level within the next 4 hours. If it does, then that shows that we have strong buying pressure around this level, creating higher lows with a strong probability of continuing to the upside. Now, let's say it starts showing selling pressure at this level here, all right? If it starts showing selling pressure at this 50% level of the red candle, that means we have a higher probability of breaking this new support level at 1636, all right? Now, if it does that, we will be coming down to test this 1584 level. How did I get that 1584 level? It's really easy, guys. Look at this. Now, this candle went all the way down here, got pushed all the way back up with buying pressure. So that means in this area, let me draw it out for you guys. Let me draw it out for you guys. In this area, there is strong buying pressure, all right? And we need to watch it, and watch it like a hawk, okay? Now, I don't normally use ellipses. That was the first time for everything, but kind of like it. It looks pretty dandy. All right, so this is the range we need to look out for. I definitely like rectangles better, just because it actually shows you the top of the support and the bottom of the support. This is our support side to the downside. This is what we need to watch for. If it does end up breaking this bullish flag formation that is currently in, then it will be heading down to this 1581 level. And once it does that, we want to see strong buying pressure here, just like we saw here. Boom, pushing higher, and then closing back above the 1636 level, all within a day. If it doesn't happen within a day, then it will be looking bearish. But right now, the news is great. The market sentiment is changing. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the crypto fear and greed index, just so we can see. It is still in fear. Wow, no way. See, those mom and pops investors, no way, is that, okay, yeah. Those mom and pops investors are still scared because they sold their bags. I'll give you guys a little rundown on what's going on in the overall market, all right? Hold with me. This is very important for all of the coins you're in. Now, I've been going over this for the past week. I predicted it's going to touch the 53 level, push off with volume. That's exactly what we saw. Because it faked out these mom and pops investors. It hit all their stops, so they sold out of their bags. Now, they are still in fear here. All right, these are whales pushing it higher. All right, now the mom and pops investors will start getting back in around this range. And let me explain to you guys what I believe is going to happen. Mom and pops investors will start getting in around this range. Why do I say that? It's the lower range of when they did start getting in, averaging in the first time. And it is our next level of resistance, all right? Once this pushes higher, we are most likely going to see a base here, then a small retracement to scare these mom and pops out again, all right? Now, if they don't decide to invest and the whales just push it up, that's also another probability, but yes, what we need to look for in the overall markets is this daily candle or the next daily candle closing above the $60,000 mark. That will be extremely bullish because it will be overbearing all the previous resistance. Preferably, if we have volume, that will make everything be lining up absolutely beautifully. So, ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Billionaire 69, just a quick update on the price action, my friends. So, then again, confirmation. All right, right now would not be a bad time to start averaging in because we are in a bullish flag, making higher lows, and we are currently moving higher with this green candle. Now, it doesn't have that much volume. Let's go to some smaller charts and see what we are looking at, my friend. Okay, we have a little bit of volume. It is basing around this support line at the 1631 level. All right, this is what I would do on the 30-minute charts. Now, you really got to be watching these, and this is what I do in the Patreon. If you don't want to watch these charts, if you have to go to work, then consider joining the Patreon. I'm going to add spots right after I make this video, so if you can, go get them. But what you want to do, this green candle, once it comes up, we want to see this green candle or the next 30-minute green candle close above this previous two bodies here, all right? These are almost a tweezer top, but not quite. All right, 1677, that's where we want to see the next green candle or this green candle close above. That is confirmation to average in because it is making higher lows in a bullish flag formation, moving to the upside on the 30-minute charts, on the 4-hourly charts. And let me just draw it out for you guys. So if those of you who don't know what a bullish flag is, then I'm speaking absolute gibberish to you. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. So this is our trend line. All right, boom, and we have exactly created a flag. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is what we need to look out for. This is the general time frame about when it should happen. Is whenever these flags close, we want to see a break to the upside. Now, I don't really like trading on formations because, first of all, every single investor sees a different formation, so it doesn't work. It just simply doesn't work sometimes. But this is good confirmation. If we do break above this and above this trend line here, this top one, and then create new support, then that will be good. Because I purely trade off of supports and resistances and emotional cycles of the retail traders versus the institutional traders, and when the best time and ratio would be to average in after the retail traders sell out, which means it's going to be hecka low, excuse my French, and then before the institutional traders fully size in. That's when we get in, we ride the wave up, and then we sell before the institutional traders absolutely dump their bags on these newbies at Chick-fil-A that just heard about Shiba Inu or some crazy coin that's just out. That's absolutely going crazy right now. That's a little trick. If you hear people talking about it on the streets, it is too late to get in. You have missed the boat, all right? And this is a Fortune 500 company, but we're trading with small cap crypto coins that have no real utility in real life right now. So we are here to make some money. We are here to get out. My friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, this is how you make billions, all right? Have a beautiful day. Watch the charts if you want. This is already moving up. It's most likely going to close above this 1670 level, which is a confirmation to get in. But we need to watch and see how it reacts about this 17 level. All right, if it breaks through and then creates new support on top, that's beautiful. Crypto Billionaire 69, that's subscribe by now.